Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to RFJ. And today we will review about not number tea because I can't find different flavor about Nabati. So maybe in a few days I'm not will review about Nabati because I not find them in different flavor. And today I will review about some snack, other snacks that have same price like Nabati offer. And this is the thing, CHOLATOS. This is have a same price like Nabati is like 2000 rupiah or like 0.12 of dollar USD. And let's review this thing. I will review this thing now. And I think it's have flavor. I think like different flavors like cheese, and we have it. See, this is flavor dark chocolate flavor. Yeah, this is halal mode, and you can see like Mamma Mia Lazatos in here. Here the name CHOLATOS, Italian chocolate taste. Then the net weight is like 24 gram from Garuda Food, Betty. And the back of the packaging SNE. SNE is a standard national Indonesia. You can see its barcode and the email, the social media. Can you check compare the appearance? See, you can see by yourself. Okay, let's open this. Okay, that's so hard. And here we go. Okay. Okay. Chocolate. And here it is. Thing. We have like 8 and in the packaging say it's like 24 gram net weight. Let's see, let's count. Run. Okay. Oh, wait. You see, 0, right? Okay, 24, 25. Then I think it's 25, and here it's like 24 net weight. See here. Okay, and for 1.5 8 pieces and 1 unit of weight is like gram. And let's see the length. Where my roller? Okay, so this is my roller. Let's see. Wait. See. Wait. This is the length. And let's check the tightness. Okay. See. Okay. Here is the tightness. And what again? Oh yeah, of course. Let's see this the inside. See. It's chocolate full of chocolate. And if we break it like this, so okay, for the last, let's check the taste. I'll rate 1 out of 10. Okay, let's it's good. Sweet, but not too sweet. Crunchy, not too creamy, but it's good. I give rate 8. Yeah, 8. 8 for this. No surprise. Okay. Okay, just this. See you next time, and goodbye. See you next video. See you. Love you guys.